Hi everyone and welcome back to WSO2 Integrator series MI with VS Code. In this video, we'll walk through a sample integration project Hello World, which is out of the box available when we start with VS Code for MI development. So let's begin. Here is the quick agenda about today's video. First of all, we'll import a Hello World project in our VS Code development environment. We'll see the project details via Explorer view, typically the traditional view of the files. Then we'll see the modern canvas view of the integration project using the MI resource view. We'll do a quick walkthrough of the code and we'll run it as a Maven project. Finally, we'll do the testing of the Hello World project by calling the backend REST services. So all of this we'll see through a live demo. So let's begin the demo. So let's start the demo. First of all, we'll start our VS Code ID. Okay, then we'll go to the MI extension. Under the explore samples option, just click on Hello World service. We'll select a particular directory where this project will be saved. Okay, so the project has been downloaded and it has been placed into that particular location. Okay, so first of all, let's see the explorer view of the project, which is the traditional view of the files view which we were working with the integration studio. So it will give you more confidence that how we were working earlier with the VS Code, basically the integration studio for MI development versus the VS Code. Okay, so if we go to this src main WSO2 MI artifacts, APIs, data sources and all, which is similar to the traditional integration studio based the project file structure. Now let's click on hello world.xml, which is the XML file of the particular implementation of this particular integration service. So first of all, this is one API which is deployed over here, which has a code over here which is in XML. Okay, so similarly we can relate as per the integration studio experience. Next we go to this this particular view, which is a canvas view of this MI project. So it has whatever resources we create, accordingly the canvas view of the resource opens here. We click on the hello world and a particular resource, it opens the canvas view, which is looks like of a flow chart, and you can see the starting point of this, and then we have a payload factory mediator, then a respond mediator. A plus icon indicates we can add more mediators in between. Okay, so we're not going to make changes at this point of time. Just click it here. We see this payload has been set via this payload factory mediator. Okay, let's close this. So post walkthrough of this particular thing, now we are good to see the pro code kind of experience. So let's click on this source icon and we have both of the views opened side by side. So any changes we make it here, it will reflected over here and the vice versa. Okay, so now let's go and we'll run this particular project. So I have clicked on the run icon and a Maven command will run in the background to build the car file of this project. So you can see the project build was successful and the MI instance will be running. So we have this particular endpoint exposed. Just click it on the try it out icon, get resource, try it out and execute. Cool. So we have successfully got the hello world message. So we have deployed running services and a testing has been done. So that's all for this particular demo. We'll go a step ahead in our next tutorials. Thank you very much. So that's all for this video, and stay tuned for my upcoming videos on MI development using VS Code only on WSO2 Bytes.